Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Hello, my dear friends. This is Oleg. I'm glad to salute you. Today we make forecasting for major cryptocurrencies, for Bitcoin, for Ripple, Ethereum, and Monero. As a bonus, we'll see a Dogecoin. It's a new cryptocurrency which showed a significant raising after Elon Musk's support. So my friends, I'm glad to see your pluses in our chart, that everything is all right, that picture sounds are good. We start with site of coin market cap to see the movement of major cryptocurrencies during last week. So top 10 cryptocurrencies showed us downward movement, except of Ripple. I remind you that Ripple now under big pressure because of the court claim. American regulator try to win court session against Ripple. So we'll see that after the announcement of this trial deals, Ripple went to a downward movement. Now it's a rebound after this negative news for Ripple. So this is a reason of exception of current raising of Ripple cryptocurrency. Other cryptocurrencies showed the downward movement. I think there is fundamental reasons for this. I show you why it's happened, because of the Federal Reserve System speech of their chairman Jerome Powell, who praises economic recovery and sees Fed pulling back help after substantial progress. So he said that economy numbers gradually recovering, show gradual recovering. So now the big investors return to American dollar because of the good forecasting of Federal Reserve systems for greenback and because of the one moment, my friends. because of the bullish trend of American 4-year American 10-year bond yield. So if the price of these bonds are rising, more and more investors began to transfer their money from stock market, from the shares, the S&P 500 and others, to the market of obligations, to a market of bonds. So while we'll see this trend up in obligations, in American bonds, it influences to raising American dollar up, and while the dollar, the trend in a dollar is up, the trend in cryptocurrencies is down. So this is two alternatives. In one scale is a dollar, in the other scale is the cryptocurrencies. Now dollar is uptrending and cryptocurrencies is downtrending. This is fundamental factors. Of course, we'll see now the technical factors, the technical points, entry points. But I recommend you, my friends, to watch for this chart of American bonds. If we'll see here the downward correction, something like this, maybe it's two tops, it's a reversal pattern, yeah, something like this. This is so the correction in this chart, downward correction in this chart, influence to the cryptocurrency market, and the cryptocurrencies will go up. So this is our first reason, first necessary condition for recovering of cryptocurrency market. I'll add this link to our chart and recommend you to watch for this with American bonds. Hello to Mark Evans. Hi, bro. Glad to see you. Okay, we'll finish the fundamental factors. Let's move up and I'll show you our technical analysis. We'll start with Bitcoin. In a Bitcoin, we'll see a beginning of downward correction. So now there is several K zone where we can wait the finishing of this correction and continue growing this cryptocurrency up. The first zone, this is trend line, it's a support trend line, and not this, and this support point. Why this support point is so important? Because of renewing of the top from this point. So for the bulls, it is necessary to defend this point, because if this support point will broken down, this upward structure will break. So the first zone, interesting zone, where we can wait the finishing of the correction. One moment, this one. Here we are waiting for a reaction of the price to this zone. If we'll see the reversal pattern, something as a zigzag or 1, 2, 3 pattern and broken down this resistance trend line, we can manage our buy trades after the price rebound from this resistance line. So this is our entry point for buy trades. The second zone, this is a maths level, the level so-called pivot level. It's a key level where if the price is above this level, our mood, our behavior is bullish. But if the price below this level, the behavior of the players changes to a bearish. So we can wait the first zone where we can wait the finishing of a downward correction, this one, and the second, this one. If the downward correction will continue, we'll end our resistance line and waiting for reaction near this zone. The first level will be 55,000 for one Bitcoin, and the distant level 60,000. So my friends, now we must waiting the direction of the price near this zone, and if we'll see near this zone the reversal pattern and breaking through the correction trend line, it's a good opportunity, good entry point for long positions. Okay, I make a screenshot for Bitcoin, download it to my computer, and after my webinar I upload it in our social media accounts in Instagram and in Twitter. You can find these links below this video. Please use it. I'm glad to see you there, and if some questions will appear, I'm answer you with pleasure. Mark, right, Ripple, please, of course. The next one is a Ripple. As for Ripple, here we'll see that the exception, weekly exception for all cryptocurrencies, because of 10 major cryptocurrencies fall down, but Ripple is on a place even show us the upward movement. So our trend line is still below the price, this one. We can see here they're breaking through the resistance line. So now the price is very close to the K level of pivot, but now the price is below of this level, and our K point, this one. So it is necessary to breaking through this structure. I'll show you this one. Yeah, it's something like a triangle. It's necessary to breaking through this resistance line to continue moving up. And of course, we have to wait good news from the court session against Ripple management. Okay, I'll show you my route for Ripple. So now the K movement to break through the resistance line. Our first goal, this is a resistance number 1, 61 cent for 1 ripple. The next one, 67 cent for 1 ripple, and the most distant resistance zone, it's resistance number 3, 74 cent for 1 coin, or 1 ripple coin. So here I'll see one sweet zone where we can wait for a finishing downward correction and continue moving up. This one. Oh, my friend, sorry. It's a good to start with this zone. It's a good support zone. It is formed by the trend line, by the support level from the pivot indicator. So here we are waiting for reaction and waiting for reversal pattern, something like zigzag. If a price could foothold on this resistance line and up to pivot level, it's a good opportunity for long positions, for opening long positions. Our targets will be this, and this. So my friends, this is my point of view about Ripple. I make a screenshot. The next one, this is Ethereum. My friends, here I have already done my prognosis in Ethereum in a trading view account, so you can check it here. Now I give you my explanation about, to this technical picture. In Ethereum, we also see the downward correction. This is a daily time frame. So here I found 3 zones to open or to plan long trades, long positions. First of all, I marked 2 lines. This is a resistance, a line from the top, and the support bottom support line from these bottom points. The first reaction could be from this trend line, from this support trend line. So we will see from here breaking through the resistance line and the reversal pattern. Our target will be the local top. The second zone is a key point. Is a point from this point we renew the top. So for bulls, it is it is necessary to defend this zone to continue moving up. Our plan is similar to this zone. We are waiting for reversal pattern and open purchases if we'll see a reversal pattern and breaking through the resistance line. But if this zone will not stand and couldn't defend the continuing upward movement, I think we'll see the renewing this bottom, this low. So we'll see lower low, and only in the zone of 1100 and something, etc. We can wait for a continued upward movement. Here we'll see the good level from the FIBO retracement. It's 0.61 level, and also the point of control from the indicator of futures volume. This is the maximum amount of future contracts concentrating in this zone. So in Ethereum we will have three good zones where we can wait a reaction, and where we can see the behavior of the big players. This is a trend line, the K level from this zone, from this point of support, and the last one is a level of FIBO level point, FIBO level, and plus a point of control from the futures indicator. So this is my point of view about Ethereum. Our next coin is a Monero. Yeah. In Monero, the price continue flat movement, so there is no definite trend line. This is movement of the price in a range. So in a range trade, you can use the tactic buy from the bottom or sell from the top. Of course, after forming the reversal pattern. Now, not very good signal for Monero. This is breaking through this trend line. This trend line. So if we paint this triangle, we'll see that exit from this triangle is going down. So we can see the renewing this lower low. The next good support zone for Monero will be here. So it's good to occupy the waiting position, the movement of price to this zone, the correction to this trend line, and breaking through. In this case, if price could footholding upon this level, our target will be the top boundary of this rectangle. So it's good to wait the finishing of the correction, forming the reversal pattern, and make our substantial decision for long trades in this case. The print screen is finished, and our last but not the least of cryptocurrency is a Dogecoin. I'll show you in a trading view. Graphs. Let's continue the graph. Okay, and now I'm adopting the graph to the current situation, and there is no big news in the Dogecoin because of the horizontal movement of the price. It's the picture is similar to the Monero chart. Now we'll see that the price in a flat, so it is necessary to wait and the price will exit from this flat zone. Only in this case we can manage our trades. So it's a good pattern for long positions. It's buying from the bottom after finishing downward movement, and but the first goal, the first target will be the reversal bondier, the reversal level, this resistance level. Yeah, it's the first target. The second one will be here. It's something about 75. Oh, no, 7.5 cents for one Dogecoin. I write it on the graph. Is second target. Oh, sorry. And next one, this, and even this. Of course, this target is very strong. It's a very strong psychological level. So if a price could overwhelming this level, we can see a good boosting upward movement in this coin, in this Dogecoin. But now it is necessary to wait the finishing of the correction and the exit the price from this flat movement, exit up. Okay. Something like this. This is our aims, targets, and goals for this cryptocurrency. So, my friends, finishing our forecasting. I'm glad to salute Vyacheslav. Hello, Vyacheslav. Glad to see you. So, my friends, if everything is all right in our translation, if you like our forecasting, I'm glad to see your thumbs up. Of course, your subscriptions to our channel and notifications to our new videos. I try to upload a new video to make a new forecast in the next week, and we'll see what's opportunities in cryptocurrency market, further opportunities in cryptocurrency market. Thank you for your watching. I wish you good mood, good trades in cryptocurrency, in other financial markets. Glad to see you next time. Sincerely yours, Kalmanovich Oleg. Bye bye, my friends.
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.